Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education. To solve technical problems, today we are going to sharpen the drill bit. The angle of the tip is 60 degrees. You have to maintain it during sharpening process because the angle of the drill bit edge is very critical. That should not exceed from 60 degrees. Otherwise your bit will be useless. Each of these angled surfaces is also cut at a slightly narrow angle, creating another plane. This plane creates the cutting edge as well as a relief area behind the edge. This relief area prevents contact with the metal being cut as a hole is drilled, which reduces drag and friction. The helical groove in the drill bit is called flute. It acts as a channel to guide the cut material out of the hole created by the two edges. To sharpen it, we have to place the relief area onto the grinder and then slightly rotate it up to the cutting edge. And within seconds, your drill bit will be ready. Two things to remember: not to damage the angle, the 60-degree angle, and don't let the temperature increase. This will reduce the strength of the drill bit tip. If during grinding process the temperature increases, the life of the drill bit decreases. There you can see the cutting edges are cutting very well of this drill bit. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos.